Welcome to Move to Moon, where we explore the captivating journey of human ingenuity throughout history. In this video, we'll embark on a remarkable voyage through time to uncover the most groundbreaking inventions that have shaped the world we know today. In the annals of history, humanity's insatiable quest for innovation has resulted in numerous revolutionary inventions that have transformed our existence. From the wheel to the internet, these creations have propelled us forward, enabling progress and improving our quality of life. Let's begin our exploration with the invention that kick-started the wheels of progress, literally the wheel itself. The wheel, first developed around 3500 BC, revolutionized transportation and enabled the growth of early civilizations. It was a simple yet ingenious concept that set the stage for more complex inventions. Moving forward in time, we come to the advent of the printing press in the 15th century, credited to Johannes Gutenberg. This invention marked the democratization of knowledge, making books and information more accessible to a broader audience. The printed word became a catalyst for the Renaissance and the spread of ideas. Skipping ahead to the 19th century, we encounter another iconic invention: the steam engine. Invented by James Watt, this machine powered the Industrial Revolution, driving the mechanization of industries and expanding global trade networks. Fast forward to the 20th century, where we find the invention of the World Wide Web by Sir Tim Berners-Lee. The internet revolutionized communication, commerce, and information dissemination on a global scale. It's a testament to how innovation continues to shape our modern world. Now, let's delve into a more recent invention, the smartphone. Combining the power of a computer with the convenience of a mobile device, it has become an integral part of our daily lives, connecting us in ways unimaginable just a few decades ago. We can't forget about medical breakthroughs either. The discovery of antibiotics, such as penicillin by Alexander Fleming, saved countless lives and changed the course of medical history. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate some inventions that are often overlooked but have had a profound impact. One such invention is the plow, which revolutionized agriculture and allowed for more efficient food production. The humble plow turned fields into bountiful harvests and supported the growth of civilizations. Now, let's shift our focus to an invention that's often taken for granted but is indispensable in our daily lives: the light bulb. Thomas Edison's groundbreaking work illuminated the world, banishing darkness and transforming the way we live and work. In the world of transportation, the invention of the automobile, credited to Carl Benz and Henry Ford, revolutionized personal mobility. From the Model T to the modern electric vehicles, cars have shaped the way we commute and travel. Exploring the skies, the invention of the airplane by the Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur Wright, marked a turning point in human transportation. The ability to soar above the clouds opened up a new era of exploration and connectivity. Shifting our gaze to the cosmos, the invention of the telescope allowed astronomers like Galileo Galilei to peer into the heavens, leading to revolutionary discoveries about our place in the universe. In the realm of energy, the harnessing of nuclear power transformed not only how we generate electricity but also how nations approach geopolitics. The invention of the atomic bomb during World War II reshaped the course of history. Fast forward to the digital age, and we encounter the invention of the barcode, a seemingly simple yet indispensable tool that revolutionized inventory management and retail, making it more efficient than ever before. But perhaps one of the most transformative inventions of our time is artificial intelligence. The development of AI technology is reshaping industries from healthcare to finance, and it's changing the way we work, interact, and even think about the future. Another groundbreaking invention is the compass. Its development, which is often attributed to the Chinese, revolutionized navigation. It allowed explorers to venture into uncharted waters, leading to discoveries that reshaped maps and our understanding of the world. Moving on to the 20th century, the invention of the television by pioneers like John Logie Baird and Philo Farnsworth brought the world into our living rooms. It changed the way we receive information and entertainment, making a significant impact on society. In the world of medicine, the invention of the X-ray by Wilhelm Röntgen opened a new realm of possibilities for diagnosing and treating illnesses. The ability to see inside the human body without invasive procedures transformed healthcare. Jumping into the digital age, we can't ignore the impact of the smartphone. It's not just a communication device, it's a personal assistant, a navigator, a camera, and a source of endless knowledge in your pocket. And of course, we must mention the marvel of 3D printing. This modern innovation allows for the creation of intricate objects layer by layer, from medical implants to architectural models. The possibilities are only limited by our imagination. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable exploration of the history of inventions. If you found this video enlightening and entertaining, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to Move to Moon. Your support allows us to keep delving into the depths of history and knowledge. Stay curious, stay inspired, and never stop exploring. We look forward to sharing more incredible stories with you in the future. I bid you farewell until our next adventure through time and innovation.